A very good morning to one and all. Hope we have understood from the last class what is compass surveying and what are the various types of compass and what is the principle involved in compass surveying. In today's class, we are going to see about bearings, how to measure bearings, how to get the true angles from the bearings between 2 points. So, bearings is nothing but the difference between the magnetic north and the station point is the magnetic bearing, and the difference between the true north and the station point is called as the true bearing. So the line indicating the magnetic north is magnetic meridian, and the line that indicating the true north is the true meridian. So here we have two kinds of bearings. One is whole circle bearing and another one is reduced bearing. In whole circle bearing, all the bearings that are taken are with respect to north. In reduced bearings, the bearings may be either taken from the north or taken from the south. So in case of whole circle bearings, it will be either 0 to 90, always from the north, 0 to 90, 0 to 180, 0 to 270 and 0 to 260. All directions will be from the north. In case of reduced bearings, it will be either on the north side or from the south side. It will be either from the northeast or from the southeast. It will be either from the northwest or from the southwest. So here the picture shows the whole circle bearing from 0 to 360. Here we could see the reduced bearing either from the north direction or from the south direction. That is northeast quadrant, southeast quadrant, northwest quadrant and southwest quadrant. So what are the bearing types? First one is fore bearing and next is back bearing. Fore bearing is the bearing that is taken from the forward direction from a station point towards another station point. Back bearing is taken from the next point to the previous point in terms of backward direction. Fore bearing is toward and back bearing is backward. So that is the difference between fore bearing and back bearing. That is indicated in the figure shown in A, that is fore bearing, and in the back bearing it is shown in the figure B. So now we will see a problem based on how to calculate the bearings. Following are readings that are taken in a closed traverse. Draw a rough traverse showing the included angles, calculate the corrected bearings, and indicate the station free from local attraction. So the specific calculations. We have station points, we have lines, we have fore bearing, and we have back bearing. So the major rules that are involved is checking out the closed traverses. Sum of the measure of interior angles should be 2n minus 4 into 90. Sum of the measured exterior angles should be 2n plus 4 into 90. The algebraic sum of the reflection angle should be equal to 360. Right hand deflection is considered to be positive and left hand deflection is considered to be negative. So if you could see the problem, following are the bearing takens, what is the fore bearing and what is the back bearing. Compute the interior angles and correct them from the observed errors. So this is the second problem. First problem you can solve as an assignment. I'll be explaining the second problem. The solution from the figure, we can identify this figure, we can identify that the lines we have to draw from the fore bearing and back bearing. So the diagram is drawn based upon the given data. Based upon the given data and by drawing this diagram, we can identify the lines from the quadrantal bearing, that is from the reduced bearing to the whole circle bearing. AB from the south 37 degree 30 degree east is converted to 142 degree 30 minutes, and back bearing will be 322 degree 30 minutes. Similarly, BC will be 223 degree 15 minutes and 44 degree 15 minutes. So each bearing of a line will be with reference from the north direction in case of a whole circle bearing, and with reference to either north or south direction in case of reduced bearing. In case of CD, it is 287 degrees 0 minutes and 107 degree 45 minutes. In case of DE, it is 12 degree 45 minutes and 193 degree 15 minutes. In case of EA, it is 60 degrees 0 minutes and 239 degrees 0 minutes. So that is how whole circle bearings are found from the reduced bearings or quadrantal bearings. So this is the diagram that is done with respect to the founded bearings. So thank you for the attention. Thank you one and all. Hope you all have learned what are bearings, how bearings are calculated. Kindly solve the problem that is given. If you have any queries, kindly post the questions. I'll be answering the questions. Thank you one and all.